Multi-stage means more than one transistor used as an amplification purpose, then that is your called multi-stage. In other name is also called cascaded amplifier. We have already seen there is three types of coupling devices that is used to connect from one stage to second stage. The three types of coupling devices, the name is one of the coupling capacitor through connect one stage to second stage, and second one is the transfer coupled, and third one is the direct coupled. These are the three types of amplification with coupling devices. We have already also seen the frequency response of curve, which is plotted versus frequency versus gain. Now we have seen in this diagram the frequency versus gain. Gain is the output upon input. Here you see here the lower cutoff frequency and the higher cutoff frequency. There is defined a mid frequency range. The gain is constant. Here you see gain is constant, and the lower frequency region gain is decreases, and higher frequency region above cutoff also gain is decreases. The reason behind is already explained in the previous lectures. Here you only see that this representation, the mid frequency range gain is represented by the capital A mid, suffix A mid, and then this cut point in the y-axis, this cut point in the y-axis here, this is represented by the A mid upon root 2. Means this cut one point is indicated in the x-axis. This one is the lower cutoff frequency, then next one is the higher cutoff frequency. Between this higher cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency is called bandwidth. Also similar way, this also explain frequency versus relative gain. Relative gain means the maximum gain is in this constant mid frequency region. This one is represented by A mid, and then some values of gain whatever come then is divided by this value, means A upon A mid. This one represented as a relative gain. When we divide A mid, suppose A mid maximum gain and again divide by A mid, then come to the 1. This one shows here, this is one come to the 1, means relative gain value is the 1 in y-axis. Then if you go to calculate in dB, then this comes the 0 dB. Now this decrease up to minus 3 dB point, then this cut point in this gain plot curve, then this one is the your lower frequency cutoff frequency, and this is the high cutoff frequency. Also in terms of you go to calculation, this one come to magnitude form is 1, then this values come 1 upon root 2. If you are calculating dB 1 upon root 2, then this values come minus 3 dB. This 3 dB frequency, 3 dB cutoff frequency is also called, this point is also called cutoff 3 dB cutoff frequency. Also in terms of half power bandwidth, also called, this is a half power frequency, means half power frequency, means in this point you see here the frequency versus power gain. In this point, suppose this values come 1 and this value come 1 upon root 2, means in the half power frequency the power is 50% of the maximum value. That's why I call half power frequency. This also come in terms of half power, means lower frequency and higher cutoff frequency. Means overall conclusion on this is cutoff frequency is also called 3 dB frequency and half power frequency. Bandwidth relation in this form, higher cutoff frequency to minus lower cutoff frequency. Okay, next, what is the advantage if the higher bandwidth? One of the advantage to carry the more information cater bandwidth. Also, one of the more important in this term, if higher bandwidth means a larger bandwidth indicate reproduction of input signal, means higher bandwidth reproduce the input signal better form. Also, if we go to the compare with the single stage, in single stage gain bandwidth product is low, means if go to next multi-stage amplifier, then your gain is increases but bandwidth is decreases. Also, this point is also discussed in the next pages. Only noted here in this first page, the frequency response plot in the region of mid frequency and low frequency and the high frequency. The reason behind this, why this region, why this gain is decreasing in the lower cutoff frequency and higher frequency region also gain is decrease, and in this mid region the gain is constant. Here only terms are defined 3 dB frequency and the half power frequency, what is this. And next move to our, this is your simple relation. The gain is output upon input in terms of voltage gain, in terms of voltage gain with the ratio of voltage, and in terms of current gain the ratio of current, and power in terms of power, this is the power ratio. If we go to calculation in dB, we use in voltage and current 20 log and power gain 10 log. Next point is the gain of cascaded amplifier or means multi-stage amplifier. Cascaded and multi-stage means both same. This diagram shows you the stage 1 we consider G1 and stage 2 consider G2 and G3. These are the gain of stages of amplifier. Suppose the input as AC input provided, and next we observe what is the output if we consider the n number of stages. Then we calculate overall gain of amplifier. Means this one shows you, this is the AC input is as V in and G1 G2 as the gain of the stages. This one shows the output of first stage. If you go to calculation of output of first stage, you see the relation. Gain is the relation with the output upon input. We arrange this value, output is equal to gain multiplied by input. Here you should see that output first stage, how to calculate gain multiplied input. Here gain is the first stage G1 and input is the V in. Then output comes in this across is to G1 and V in. And next this output is used as a input in this second stage. Now calculate output of second stage. Similar way, output of second stage multiply the G2 multiply the input. Input is come this value. Now the gain is multiplied with this value. Then output come this here. Here output come. Now this output is next to as input of second not third stage input. Now similar output of third stage is come in this form. Similar way, if n number of stages, this one shows you relation n number of stages, then gain is multiplied by and then input voltage. Then overall gain of multi-stage means gain is the output upon input. Output come this value of the last stage of amplifier. Then output divided by input. This one is output. Next one is divided by input. Now this V in and V in cancel out. The overall gain is come in this form. It means product of all the stages of gain. That is the overall gain. This one evaluation come out overall gain. Suppose in this way, if you go to calculate the voltage gain and current gain, power gain, similar way you are calculate means multiply the all the values which is come out from one stage to second stage. Then this is the overall gain. In terms of dB, you use in a dB, then you individual take a dB calculation 20 log AB1 plus 20 log AB2 means overall means in terms of dB all the values are addition in form of addition. In terms of values form, then you multiply the all the values, then overall gain is calculated. This one is one of the example of multi-stage amplifier. This is one of the example of multi-stage amplifier. what is calculation. Here is given three stage of amplification. The voltage gain of three stages is given 14, 60 and 80. Mean first stage is the 40 gain, and second is the 60, and third is the 80. Now the ox is to calculate the overall gain, and second is the calculating in the dB, and last is the input voltage 2 millivolt, and find the first stage output. Now go to first calculation. We see here that this is the given as voltage gain. Then overall gain means multiply all the stages. Here is the three stages. This one is the multiply, and the values come out. Next in the dB, you calculate this value. Then we take 20 log. Then it comes in a dB form. Other form is also calculated. We take individual, calculate in dB form. Means 20 log 40 and plus 20 log 60, and next is the 20 log 80. Means individual, if you convert in the dB form, then add the individual, then also come in the dB. Otherwise you multiply all the values and put in this form, means in convert in a dB form. Then you calculate in the second. Third one is the, you see here the gain is the output of one input. Here asks you, first is the output, means output is equal to gain multiplied input. Input is given, output of gain is the first is the 40 multiplied by, then you come to the 80 millivolt. This one is good. Now the last page. Here you see one of the conclusion of the gain bandwidth product is constant. This one is the relation. In the single stage, low gain bandwidth is obtained. If we go to the multi-stage amplifier, then what happen? Multi-stage amplifier gain is increases, but your bandwidth is decreases. Means gain is increases in number of stages, gain is increases, but bandwidth is decreases. One of the relations also satisfies this. If gain is increased, then the product is constant, then your bandwidth also decreases. This one shows you relation. This also diagram show you. This one shows you. This one shows. Suppose this is come to gain is higher if we use multi-stage amplifier. Then bandwidth is the lower cutoff frequency and higher cutoff frequency. Then bandwidth is decreases. Means gain is increases, bandwidth is decreases. This one shows you. Also, the disadvantage of multi-stage amplifier is a larger rise time or response time is very slow. This means if we connect a number of stages, then delays increases, means path of signal is from one source to load is increases. That's why response of your amplifier, multi-stage amplifier is decreases. Here one of the point indicated here, in the multi-stage amplifier, lower cutoff frequencies increases. Here you show it, low cutoff frequency increases, and multi-stage amplifier higher cutoff means FS frequencies decreases. This one also shows you, there is not here show you the derivation, only here the multi-stage higher cutoff frequency the relation is show you. Here is 2 power 1 by n minus 1 in this under root. If we take n is equal to 2, the values come 0.64 fh. If n is equal to 3, then come 0.51. Means if we use 2 stage and 3 stage, what happened? 2 stages higher cutoff, then we use 3 stages, the decrease of the higher cutoff frequency. This one shows you, means decreases the higher cutoff frequency, and if number of stages is increased. Similar way, lower cutoff frequency, if we take 2 stages, the value is come 1.56. If we use n is equal to 3, means 3 stages, then 1.996. means multi-stage amplifier lower cutoff frequency is increases if number of stages is increases. This is your conclusion of your multi-stage amplifier.